Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We are broadcasting from Gravity 2. We are introducing Module 3, Lesson 1, and Module 3 is about equivalent fractions, Lesson 1. So make sure you remember that statement, equivalent fractions. Now let's look at what the instructions say. Use the folded paper strip to mark points 0 and 1. So I'm going to mark 0 and 1. That was easy. And then it says above the number line mark 0 halves, 1 half, or 2 halves. Well, I did it the opposite ways, but I'm going to mark this 0 halves, and this is 2 halves, and obviously in the middle is when we have 1 half. Would you agree? I'm glad you agree, my friends. So that's our first step. So now I'm going to move down to the next step. So we're going to look at fractions that are the same as 1 half. Now, following directions, this says right here, draw, let me see if I can do this time. Let me get a highlighter. And it says, draw one vertical line down the middle of each rectangle. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a vertical line down each rectangle. So that's pretty simple. Then it says create into two parts, which I did. Shade the left half of each. So we're going to shade the left half of each. And we're going to do that with green. So we're going to shade this area. Okay, shade this right here. Now you're going to ask yourself why, because we're going to find fractions that are equal to 1 half. That's why we're doing this shading in halves. So now the first one has been done for us if you pay attention. Oh wait, let's see. And then it says partition with the horizontal lines to show the equivalent fractions 2/4, 3/6, and 4/8 and 5/8. Use multiplication to show the change in units. So in this case, this is done for us. This is 1 half, which is represented right here. And we multiply by 2 because it was cut into 2 parts. So that will be, let's do that right now. There is 2 parts right there. So 1, 2. And now we can say that the answer has to be 2/4. And well, let's check. And let me use a different color here, my friends. So you can see well, let me use a different color here. So now this is going to be 1/4, 1/4, which equals 1 half, and this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. Okay? Now, the answer should be 2/4, and there it is. All right? Let's do one more. This time we're going to do it horizontally again. And we did not do it 1 time, we did it 2 times. So now this time is going to be, so first we have 1 half, correct? Then we multiplied it times a 3, because now the box, the hole hasn't divided 3 times. So when we multiply, that should be 3 times 3 equals 3, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So now this 1 half now is going to be 3/6. Let's see if that's true. This is 1/6, 2/6, and this is 3/6, 4, 5, and 6, and that is correct, my friend. So now we know that 1 half is the same as 3/6. Okay, now we're going to follow the same pattern. We divided this one in half, this one 2 times in half. Now this one is going to be divided 3 times. Okay, and we'll do the same thing. We're going to find out how many halves are there in, how many 8s are there in 1 half. Now this time we're going to multiply it by 4. Okay, why? Because we divided this 4 times, correct? So now 4 times 1 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So this has to match your picture. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each of these is 1/8, right? And it's 4/8 altogether. So this is correct as well, my friends. Let's find another equivalent fraction for 1 half. So now this time we're going to do it, that was 3 times, we're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's going to be 1/2 times, we divided it 5 times, which is represented by multiplication. 1 times 5 equals 5, and 2 times 5 equals 10. So now we have 5 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be 5 shaded out of 10. So now we can conclude, my friends. In conclusion, remember, you always have to know that you are concluding things. In conclusion, we can say with certainty that 1/2 it's equal to 3/6 and it's equal to 4/8 and 5/10. Period. In conclusion, we can say that 1/2 is equal to 3/6 and is equal to 4/8 and is equal to 5/8. They all have the same value. Okay, my friends, so that's part 1. Make sure you watch the video and pay attention to the notes. Thank you for watching my channel and review these notes, and always keep your mind positive. That will help you with mathematics. Don't say, I'm not good at math. Always say, you know what, every time I watch a video, I am getting better at it. So get better at it and watch this video more than once.